This sport utility vehicle generally a delight to drive. You will find its gas V6 4.0L/245 and 5-speed automatic with OD runs like a top. Options on this vehicle include a 5-speed automatic transmission with OD, a leather-heated low-back front sport bucket seats camel in a white suede. Come in for a test drive today.